On the same day, students sat on roadblocks to protest teachers' transfer at two places in the subdivision. Sunamura School Inspector Brajala Debarma and Kathalia School Inspector Shambhu Charan Debarma reached the spot and assured the students that their problems will be solved very soon. Students blocked the road from Sunamura to Rajnagar in the rain to protest the transfer of teachers at Uttar Durlavpur High School and the other at Vejimara High School in Sunamura subdivision. However, later Sunamura School Inspector Brajla Debarma and Kathalia School Inspector Shambhu Charan Debarma reached at the spot and assured the students that their problems will be resolved very soon. The students finally lifted the blockade after being assured by the authorities. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.